Following question reads, the diagram shows part of a molecule of a polymer. Which diagram shows the monomer from which this polymer could be manufactured? Now, it's a polymer, and it's a product of addition polymerization. So the only option that you're going to be left with is this one, and I'm going to show you how you can get this polymer from this molecule of ethene. Over here, as you can see, I've drawn all these ethene molecules. What's going to happen is, in addition polymerization, under high pressure, these molecules are going to group together and they would start connecting with each other. The double bonds are going to get converted into single bonds. So the double bonds are going to get converted into single bonds, and the molecule, the carbon atoms in the molecule, they would start joining with each other and they would start linking up and they would start forming a very long chain molecule, which would be called a polymer. So if you go back to the question, you would notice that this is the same molecule that I drew, and these molecules, they're going to group together, they're going to connect with each other, and they would form this polymer.